Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just reduced pool home in the residential estates, backs right to the golf course. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're at 2349 Cup Drive. This one was just reduced to $999, $900. This is in the residential estates area, backs right to the fairway. Super desirable area, underground utilities, natural gas. You don't really find any junk in this neighborhood. Have a little bit of side access. Nicely landscaped in the front. Little double door entry. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 1988. Sits right on the golf course. 2,941 square feet. It's a split level floor plan, so you have the master downstairs and the other guest bedrooms upstairs. I have a little guest bath here. Go check that out right now, I guess. So you have your little guest bathroom off the entry. So you have your master, has its own mini split AC unit, huge tall ceilings. So you have your master bath, has a jetted tub, can lights. You have your tiled walk-in shower, dual heads. You have dual sinks. Toilet has a little pocket door. You have a big walk-in closet, kind of a his and hers deal. So you have a couple steps down into the living area. Has a cool like little bar, pool table set up. Built-in shelving. Has a cool little wet bar. So you have the main living area, has double doors out to the pool area. Another double door out the side here. So you have a pretty big kitchen, has eat-at granite tops. Looks like the dishwasher, double oven, and fridge are newer. Have a little dining nook back here with a door out to the pool area. Looks like you have some pantry space back here and an indoor laundry. You also have a formal dining room that you just don't really see anymore. All right, let's go upstairs and see what we can find. So the stairs at the entry take you upstairs to the other bedrooms. All right, the first room you run into upstairs is a bathroom, glass door, walk-in shower, soaking tub, little toilet with its own little pocket door. You have a little linen closet and then the other two guest bedrooms upstairs. This is bedroom number 2. Tall ceilings, little door out to the veranda, view deck. Has a glass double door closet, has its own light. So you have bedroom number 3, end of the hall, kind of the same setup, tall ceilings, door out to the view deck. Has these built-in little seating areas in both rooms. We're up on the view deck, killer panoramic lake and golf course fairway views. So this is basically what your view looks like. You can see most of Thompson Bay, the tip of the island, the nautical, and a pretty good lake shot all the way across. All right, let's go check out the garage and downstairs pool area. All right, so you have a 2-car garage and an RV garage. The 2-car garage is 39 feet deep, has an 8-foot door, it's insulated. There is mini split AC back here, so the garage is air conditioned. Some built-in shelving, workbench. So you have bathroom number 4 at the back of the 2-car garage. So you have the RV garage, it kind of steps down. It's 58 feet deep, has a 13-foot door. Again, this does have air conditioning in there. Looks like there's a hoist on the rafter. Also, this house does have solar power. Looks like there's a couple 50, 220 outlets. A couple doors to the outside pool area, which we're gonna go check out right now. So there's also a top storage area that you can pull a ladder down and access that top part. All right, guys, we are out on the pool area. It has this little fountain off the living room. Door to the left is garage access. You have a little pool shower. You have a killer little pool, it's a teal tile decking. Little eat-at counters at the kitchen. Can lights. Little built-in barbecue area. Looks like a little gas fireplace. Awesome fairway views. You can still see the lake from down here as well. Has pop-up cleaners. Not sure if this is one of those like swim spa type setups. There's a couple water features on the beam there. Has your own little gate to the golf course. Here's your side access. Here's all your pool equipment. Also looks like it has those automatic sunshades that come down on the rail. Alright guys, it's HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Cup. Again, this one was just reduced to $999, $900. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the latest pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.